Mr. 45. Okay, I'm recovering this unit. I forgot to film the first part. I came out here and gauged up on this Deli case. My head pressure, it's a 134A system. My head pressure was at 250. My suction was at 30. So I've got the recovery going because the condenser is clean. This is where I'm at. Going to recover the charge out of the system. Static coil. See? So no evaporator fans. I think I had two, so it's 134A. I think I had 250 head and 30 suction. On a static coil, you usually have around a 10 pound suction, which is for 134A. Yeah, like 5 or 6 degree evaporator. A nameplate on here, let me come over here. You guys can see this. 13 ounces. 13 ounces of 134A is of charge in this thing. Here's where my gauges are still sitting. Got the Mr. 45 killing it. Hard to pull. 1 pound and 7 ounces out of there. So that's already 10 ounces over. 10 or 11 ounces over on this little unit. And sometimes the only way you can tell what's going on with your system is you gotta weigh the charge out. So somebody came and tinkered over here. Well, we still got a ways to go. Okay. We're coming down now. We're a pound overcharged. 1 pound overcharged. That's crazy. Cell pressure going. We ended up with a total charge of 2 pounds, 1 ounces on a unit that only takes 13 ounces. And it got hot out. It was cold. I'm gonna give you guys a big heads up. You work on a unit with a static coil. There's no evaporator fans. Your suction pressure is going to be way low, you guys. No, the way you're supposed to be working on these anyways is you're not going to add gas to them to look at pressures. Put the factory charge in. Come on. I'm going to pull a vacuum on this thing. I'm going to weigh in 13 ounces and we'll see what it looks like. This is awesome. Alright, so I pulled the vacuum. 13 back in. Let's see what it looks like pressure-wise. That's what our static looks like. That looks about normal. We'll get this thing all plugged back in so we can back up. Here's where we're at. 175 over 20. 20 degree evaporator. Yeah, the head always runs a little high on these things, around 250. That's going to come around as it runs. This is going to drop down as we continue to run. The head pressure, I'm fine with that head pressure. That's with the 13 ounces weighed back in instead of 2 pounds. We'll see how it drops. I'll get my probe in there. All right, now it's been running for a while. Look at the temp. Temp's down to 42 degrees. There's what we're looking for. Everything's settled down about 10 degree evaporator. About 135, 140 on the head pressure. And that's with the static coil. Static coil. I think it's going to live now. to TSID-72-4 display case. So these will make ice up here. The unit will make ice, the compressor will shut off, this will absorb heat.
The soup that she had is
Then we get a big long defrost cycle. And when it runs, it's going to run down here like this because there's no evaporator fans. That looks so good right now. So they've been cold here for a bunch. Let me turn my light off. And it got hot the last 2 days. 85-degree ambient, so look at that. 39, 40. My work here is done, and so this thing wouldn't cool anymore. Someone came out here and put gas in this thing. Now we're down to 38 degrees. So if you ever suspect a system being overcharged, or you might have a leak, and it's these little self-contained commercial refrigerators, you can always recover the charge and weigh it. Weigh it as you pull it out and see where you're at. Weigh back in the correct charge, and it makes for easy troubleshooting from there going forward. And that's I see this all the time. Look, we're kicking butt now. I'm down to 36. This thing's icing up like it's supposed to. See, the water droplets are freezing now. So there's a great example of a unit running that was overcharged.